See, I have a request to the media that Chikale hospital start for COVID patients. This is one point. Second decision was taken regarding vaccination. Vaccination should be at one center, so they decided to have it at Bandra Ravindra Bhavan. Because vaccination, they have in Chikali as well as Ravindra Bhavan. And they have a lot of vaccination as well as COVID patients. So this is one decision taken today. Vaccination will be only at Bandra Ravindra Bhavan. And Chikali hospital also will be a 30-bed hospital from next week.
Actually, we were thinking of converting it into a exclusive COVID hospital. So director had already given us due directions, and preparations were being carrying out on these days. Now the time is come to convert it into a COVID hospital from Monday. So we will do it, and we are going to seek the vaccination, which is going on right now for 45 and above age group to Ravindra Bhavan.
सर सध्या पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट इतली वाढलेली असा. हाऊ आर यू कोपिंग अप विथ दॅट पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट इट इज गॉन टू 51. So how is the situation in Chikalim hospital?
Situation is quite tough to say frankly, actually, because our first testing line is big. 400 to 500 people line up for the swab testing, wherein antigen and RT-PCR tests are done. Nearly 50% of them come positive. 400 झालेले 200 पॉझिटिव्ह येतात, 500 250 पॉझिटिव्ह येतात. And of course we give them due treatment, and those who are asymptomatic आपली वखदां घेवन घरा वता. पूण तांचे सिपेर अशें आसा की जे वसन जाता घरा कडेन, तांचो ऑक्सिजन सॅच्युरेशन देंवता, ते सांजच्या मागीर ऑल किंवा द प्रिवियस हू आर पॉझिटिव्ह दे लँड अप इन द कॅज्युअलिटी. And now casualty is a general casualty. It gets flooded with these people also who are positive. And at a time, 500 लोक भितर ऑक्सिजनाचेर आसता. So of course they are on oxygen. They generate lot of aerosols and droplets. And now also doctors are also, of course, they are taking due care, but they are at the risk, because we have to wait for a long time for the ambulance to come, the dedicated COVID ambulance to ferry them to either GMC or South Goa District Hospital. So the delay in transporting is also become a big problem for Chikalim.
सर खंय तरी IMA दोतोरांनी एक रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो आहा की कन्सिडरींग द पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट लॉकडावन एक्सटेंड करचो म्हणून. एज अ डॉक्टर तुमी कितें दिसता, शूड द लॉकडावन बी एक्सटेंडेड फॉर द सेक ऑफ द हेल्थ ऑफ द पीपल?
It will definitely help to curb down the transmission of the infection, provided people do follow it and the social distancing पाळून वागणूक दवरली जाता.
15 दीस वाडयले जाल्यार लॉकडावन द रेट कुड कम डावन.
Definitely, last year we had seen that our cases had come down when we had a long lockdown. So this time also, why not?
कितें मेन मुद्दे आहले?
The meeting was to discuss the situation of the COVID in Mormugao Taluka. So basically, जे local representatives आसा, that is MLAs जे आसा, तांकां आपयल्ले, आनी आमचे डॉक्टर्स आनी पुलीस आशिल्ले. सो बेसिकली टू डिस्कस द सिच्युएशन, प्रेजेंट सिच्युएशन, आनी कितें चेंजीस जाय ते डिस्कस करपा खातीर मिटींग आशिल्ली. तातूंत 1-2-3 मुद्दे आमी डिस्कस केल्या. वन वॉज रिगार्डींग द वॅक्सिनेशन सायट्स ज्यो आसा त्यो जनरली आमचे जे हॉस्पिटल आसा ताजे कडल्यान सेपरेट करपाच्यो. सो ताजेर एक आमी हें घेतलां की रवींद्र भवन जें आसा, इट्स अ व्हेरी लार्ज एरिया, सो तें आयडेंटिफाय करून देर आमी 2 सेपरेट वॅक्सिनेशन सायट्स करपाच्यो अशें डिस्कस करून आमी ठरयल्लें आसा.
आणि चिखले हॉस्पिटलाचे बी कितें डिसिजन घेतलेलें आसा? इज इट गोइंग टू बिकम अ कोविड हॉस्पिटल सून?
That doctors are exploring that possibility. Doctors are, the health department will have to take a decision on it. ताजेर डिस्कशन करून ताजेर कितें डिसिजन आसा तो जातलें.
सर आनी प्रायवेट एम्ब्युलन्स बी कितें रोप करपाचें प्लॅन आसा?
प्रायवेट एम्ब्युलन्सीस आतां ज्यो कितें MLAन सजेशन्स दिल्ल्यो, 1-2-3 हें दिल्ल्यो, सो त्यो जाता जाल्यार त्यो रोपीन करून वी वील ट्राय टू प्रोवायड इट टू द चिकलीम हॉस्पिटल, सो दॅट थंय जर कितें कोणूय अचानक जर डावन जालो जाल्यार ताका खंय एडमीट करचो पडलो जाल्यार दॅट वील बी युजफूल ओवर देर. हय, पुलीस आसा ते स्ट्रिक्ट विजील ऑलरेडी मेंटेन केला. वॉट एवर जे ऑर्डर्स आसा 144 CRPCचे कलेक्टरान जे इश्यू केले, दोज ऑल दोज ऑर्डर्स आर बींग इम्प्लिमेंटेड.
सर नाकाबंदी बीन कितें घातल्या सर?
नाकाबंदी अशें ना, क्रावडेड एरियाज जे आसा थंय पुलीस आर किपींग अ वॉच ओवर देर. थंय रेगुलर पेट्रोलिंग सगळें चालू आसा.